Becoming rich isn't reserved for those born into wealth. No need for connections, trust funds, or prestigious degrees. What you truly need is a strategic plan. Here lies your 15-step guide to achieving billion-dollar status, starting from zero. No fluff, no exaggeration. Just tried and true principles from self-made billionaires who created their own empires. I'll break it down for you in 15 concise videos. Whether you're beginning with $10 or $10,000, this series is your catalyst for change. Hit follow, get ready, and together let's embark on crafting your billion-dollar destiny. You won't become a billionaire by thinking like everyone else. Billionaires don't think in paychecks. They think in systems, scale, and impact. They ask, how do I solve a billion-dollar problem? Not, how do I make quick cash? Want to build big wealth? Stop chasing money. Start solving problems that matter. Don't think, how can I earn more? Think, how can I help 1 million people? That's the shift. That's step 1. Billionaire Mindset activated. Ready to level up your financial game? Billionaires don't play guessing games with their money. They study it. They know the essential secrets, assets versus liabilities, using debt wisely, and letting compound interest work for them 24/7. Want to build real wealth? Start by sharpening your mind. Dive into Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Intelligent Investor, and unlock the secrets of wealth. Remember, if you don't master money, it will master you. So are you ready to learn the rules and start playing to win? Billion-dollar success starts with billion-dollar goals. Don't just write down goals. Visualize, plan, and back them with action. Set short-term milestones to hit your long-term vision. If your goals don't scare you a little, they're not big enough. Your journey to success begins with dreaming big and setting ambitious targets. Make those goals tangible by creating a vivid mental picture, strategizing the steps needed, and committing to taking action toward them. Remember, each small milestone contributes to achieving that grand vision. Challenge yourself and aim higher. Billion-dollar goals require unwavering dedication. Ultimately, true success is measured not just in numbers, but in the courage to pursue your dreams relentlessly. Embrace the fear that comes with aspiring for greatness, as it fuels your growth and positions you to transform your vision into a reality. Dare to take those steps forward. To build wealth, build value. Learn high-income skills like sales, coding, copywriting, or investing. These skills multiply your earning power. No matter where you start, skills are your first capital. Investing in yourself is essential. By acquiring high-income skills, you not only enhance your resume, but also create opportunities that can lead to significant financial growth. Consider every skill learned as a brick in your wealth-building foundation. Value is the cornerstone. Each investment in your skill set propels you closer to financial independence, demonstrating that wealth isn't merely about money, but the value you bring to the marketplace. As your skills grow, so does your earning potential, opening new doors for success and prosperity.
Saving alone won't make you rich, but it gives you power. Save aggressively, then invest wisely. Stocks, real estate, startups, let your money work for you. Don't just save for emergencies, save for opportunities. Saving creates a foundation for financial freedom, but it is just the first step. Once you have built a robust savings, shift your focus towards intelligent investments. Consider diversifying your portfolio across various assets, ensuring you're not limited to only one source of potential growth. Investing isn't just about risking your capital, it's about understanding where to place it for maximum return. By taking calculated risks in the market, you can unlock pathways to true wealth. Embrace the mindset of seeking opportunities where others might see obstacles, and watch your financial power grow significantly. With determination and smart choices, you can achieve lasting success. Billionaires have 7+ streams of income. Start with one, but aim to build others: side hustles, passive income, investments. More income equals more capital to grow your empire. To create wealth like billionaires, begin by establishing your primary source of income, then strategically explore side hustles and investment opportunities that align with your interests and skills, ensuring steady growth for your financial empire. Diversify your portfolio. By continuously seeking new income streams, you not only bolster your financial stability but also unlock the potential for greater wealth accumulation, just like the billionaires who expertly navigate multiple avenues to achieve financial supremacy. Your network is your net worth. Connect with mentors, investors, partners. The right connection can open doors that money can't. Get in the room, even if it's virtual. In today's world, relationships can be the key to success. By surrounding yourself with the right individuals, you'll find opportunities that otherwise may remain hidden. Remember, it's about being proactive in your networking. Embrace every chance to engage. Building a strong network is essential for personal and professional growth. Engaging with mentors and investors creates a path to opportunities that can elevate your career. Always seek to join discussions, even in digital formats, as every connection counts in your journey to success. A job trades time for money. A scalable business multiplies your time. Find a business model that can grow without you. Think software, e-commerce, digital products. Build once, sell forever. Think bigger than traditional employment. Envision a venture that frees your hours. Create something like an app or an online store. These can operate without constant supervision, letting you reap rewards while you focus on other pursuits. Explore your options wisely. Investing time in scalable ventures ultimately allows for financial freedom and flexibility in your life. By creating products that can be sold on repeat, you open doors to endless possibilities and start building a legacy that works for you. Embrace the journey of entrepreneurship today. In a world where effort alone does not guarantee riches, billionaires understand the power of leverage. They employ financial strategies, relying not solely on their own resources, but also on the capital of others. Additionally, they build teams to maximize productivity, allowing them to spread their influence further and faster than any single individual could achieve alone. Billionaires also recognize the importance of code and media, harnessing technology to automate and scale their ideas. Ultimately, this multifaceted approach to leveraging resources enables billionaires to create significant wealth and enduring legacies, illustrating that true success stems from the smart application of available assets rather than sheer hard work alone. Want to be a billionaire? Study them. Read biographies, watch interviews. Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, success leaves clues. Model their thinking, not just their actions. To effectively understand their insights, pay attention to their decision-making processes. Analyze the patterns and habits they adhered to, extracting lessons that can be applied to your own journey. Embrace their mindset and let it guide you. Success. By immersing yourself in their stories, you not only unearth practical strategies but also cultivate resilience and creativity. In doing so, you prepare to craft your own unique path toward success, inspired by those who have already paved the way. Remember, you hold the key to your future. Playing it safe won't build empires. Billionaires take risks, but smart ones. Research, plan, but don't be afraid to act. Risk is the price of opportunity. In the pursuit of greatness, the hesitation to take calculated risks can lead to missed chances. Remember, each setback can become a stepping stone to monumental success if approached with courage and strategy. Bold moves often create pathways where none existed before. Embracing uncertainty allows innovators to redefine boundaries and challenge norms. Ultimately, every great empire was born from the willingness to face fear head-on and seize the moment. So, dare to take that leap, for within every risk lies the potential for extraordinary achievement. People buy from people they trust. Build your personal brand, on social media, podcasts, writing. A strong brand opens doors, attracts investors, and builds credibility fast. In today's digital landscape, trust is the currency of connection. By curating a vibrant personal brand through social media and engaging content, you can foster that vital trust and pave your path to success. A strong brand. Ultimately, your personal brand is a reflection of who you are and what you stand for, serving as a beacon for opportunities and connections that align with your goals. Embrace this journey to establish a lasting impact and build the trust that propels you forward. Billionaires love systems. Automate tasks. Delegate. Optimize time. The less you do manually, the more you can focus on big moves. Time is your most valuable asset, treat it like gold. Billionaires invest in frameworks that streamline their processes, ensuring even the mundane tasks are handled efficiently. By prioritizing automation, they free themselves to tackle the monumental decisions that shape their fortunes. Every moment saved adds up, creating opportunities for growth. Time is precious. In the relentless pursuit of success, billionaires understand that mastery over time leads to unparalleled achievements. By elevating their focus to strategic vision rather than operational minutiae, they cultivate an environment where innovation flourishes and their influence expands. Time truly is wealth they can't afford to waste. One thing all billionaires have in common? Relentless consistency. They show up, even when it's hard. Success is boring. It's doing the same smart things over and over until you break through. Billionaires understand that true progress comes from unwavering commitment to their goals. They embrace repetition, knowing that each small action compounds over time, ultimately leading to extraordinary results that others often overlook. Success is indeed a marathon, not a sprint. They remain steadfast amidst challenges. In the end, their journey illustrates that while the path to success may seem tedious, it is the discipline and perseverance to continue that separates the exceptional from the ordinary. True achievement is often found in the consistent efforts that many are unwilling to undertake. Billionaires don't just make money, they make impact. Giving back builds your legacy and expands your influence. Whether it's charity, mentorship, or innovation, use your wealth to make the world better. Billionaires have a unique opportunity to shape the future, and by investing in communities, they can inspire others to join in this noble quest. Each act of generosity creates ripples that can transform lives and uplift entire generations. Every contribution counts, no matter the size. By choosing to give back, billionaires not only enhance their own legacies but also ignite a movement of change. Their willingness to support charity, mentorship, and innovation lays the groundwork for a brighter, more equitable world, demonstrating that true wealth is measured by the impact one leaves behind.